Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a busy parent juggling work, chores, and trying to raise creative, happy kids, you're always searching for activities that are fun, affordable, and actually worth the mess. Today, I'm sharing one of our latest discoveries, the INSCRAFT Mini Fuse Beads. Priced at just $29, this set has been sitting on our craft table for weeks, pulling the kids in like magic every single time. It's not just another arts and crafts kit. It's become a go-to for bonding, building, and even teaching a little patience in the process. As someone who appreciates thoughtful packaging, includes, and products that grow with your child, I was curious if this one would deliver. Spoiler? It surprised me in ways I didn't expect. Let me tell you how it's been going, starting with what happened the very first time we opened the box. Let me tell you, as a mom who's always on the lookout for screen-free activities that actually hold my kids' attention, this INSCRAFT Mini Fuse Beads set has been a total game changer. I honestly wasn't sure how into it my 9 and 11-year-olds would get, but within minutes of opening the box, they were sorting colors, laying out designs, and completely absorbed. There's just something about creating something with your hands that sparks such pride. And it's so cool to see them planning out little pixel art, working from patterns, or making their own wild designs. With 48 vibrant colors and over 28,000 beads, the creativity literally doesn't stop. I love that it encourages focus and fine motor skills without feeling like work. It's play with purpose, you know? And as an added bonus, I've had rare moments of actual quiet time while they're immersed in their little bead worlds. One of the first things I noticed is how compact and neat everything is. The packaging is really thoughtful. All the beads come in organized bags by color, which I appreciated because, let's be real, no one wants beads scattered all over the house. We ended up pouring each color into little snack containers so the kids could easily grab what they needed. The 7 pegboards come in different shapes and sizes, which makes it fun. My daughter loves making heart-shaped keychains, and my son prefers the bigger square boards for detailed animals and superheroes. Plus, having ironing papers, tweezers, and even chain accessories included means you really don't need to buy anything extra to get started. It's like they thought of everything, and that makes life so much easier for busy parents. Now, let's talk about size, because this is where opinions might differ. These beads are definitely smaller than the classic perler beads I remember from when I was a kid, and I'll admit, that took a little getting used to. My younger one struggled a bit at first, so she mostly does simpler designs and occasionally needs help placing the beads. But for my older child, it's perfect. The smaller size means she can make more intricate, detailed projects, and she's even started selling her little bead art to friends at school. It's more precise, which is great for kids with patience and steady hands. That said, I'd say this is better suited for kids 8 and up unless younger siblings are doing it with help. It's not impossible for little fingers, just requires a lot more concentration. When it comes to ironing, there's a learning curve. I'll be honest, my first few attempts didn't go smoothly. The beads melt differently than I expected. They tend to spread out a bit more, so you have to be careful not to overheat them. Once I figured out the right heat setting and ironing motion, short bursts, circular pattern, the results looked so cool. The colors stay bright and pop really well, and the kids absolutely love when their creations go from flat designs to smooth, solid pieces. We've experimented with both the clear and matte ironing sheets, and each gives a different finish. The clear ones make everything shiny and slick, while the matte paper gives a softer, more vintage look. I also learned the hard way not to use tape when ironing. Yes, I made that mistake, because it can leave a sticky residue on the beads, which is no fun to clean up. I do want to mention that while most of the beads melt beautifully, I've noticed that a few, just now and then, don't fuse quite as evenly. One project had a couple of beads that stayed a little bumpy, even after re-ironing. And while the beads feel solid when new, I wonder if they'll hold up long term. A few have cracked when dropped, so I'd say they're more delicate than I hoped. That said, We've made about a dozen projects so far, and the majority have turned out awesome. My son made a keychain of his favorite video game character. My daughter made a rainbow star for her backpack. It's been months, and they still show off their creations proudly. That sense of accomplishment? Priceless. That's the real win here. What I truly love is how this one kit keeps giving. We've used it for crafts before movie nights, as a quiet time routine, and even birthday party activities. All my daughter's friends wanted to make their own designs and take them home. The tweezers are a small but smart inclusion. They make it easier to grab single beads without frustration, especially on larger boards. And the ability to turn finished projects into keychains, zipper pulls, or even decorations. That adds such a fun personal touch. The kids wear their creations, hang them up, and give them as gifts. It's not just a craft, it's confidence in bead form. Seeing them say, "Look what I made," is the best feeling in the world. All in all, for $29, this set is an incredible value. You're getting more beads, more colors, and more accessories than most kits in this price range. Yes, the smaller size and melting corks require a bit of patience, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. The pros? Amazing color selection, huge quantity, smart extras, and endless creative potential. The cons? Smaller beads may challenge little hands, and melting isn't always perfect, but nothing that practice and a steady hand can't overcome. If you're looking for a creative, engaging, screen-free activity that builds focus and pride, this is it. I've already caught myself smiling at the little pile of finished projects on the shelf, colorful proof of my kiddo's imagination. And honestly, that's worth every penny. If your kids are ready to create, connect, and craft something amazing, the INSCRAFT beads are a brilliant way to spark it all. Don't let the fun stop here. Like this video and subscribe for more hands-on, heart-filled pics that turn playtime into something special. Let's build a community where creativity sticks, one bead at a time.